Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yahoo Finance Portfolio Watchlist Setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Finance website. Log into your Yahoo account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home page, look for the Portfolio option in the main menu at the top of the page. Click on Portfolio to access the Portfolio Management section. In the Portfolio area, click on the Create Portfolio button. You will be prompted to name your portfolio. Enter a relevant name for your portfolio, then click Create. Now, you'll see an option to add stocks to your portfolio. Search for the stocks you want to include using the search bar. Select the stock from the search results to add it to your portfolio. Specify the number of shares and the purchase price if required. After entering the details, click Add to Portfolio. Repeat the search and add process for each stock. Once you've added all desired stocks, navigate to the Watchlist tab. Here, you can view and customize your watchlist. To modify the watchlist settings, click on the gear icon or settings option. Adjust the settings to your preferences, such as adding columns or changing the layout. Finally, to save your changes, ensure you click Save before exiting. Your Yahoo Finance Portfolio Watchlist is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.